Okay, to keeping charts up to date, okay, actually by default, okay, when you add more data to your worksheet, okay, the chart may not include the new data, okay. So to fix this, you can adjust the data range, okay. Simply click the charts and it will highlight the data range in your spreadsheets, okay. So you can then click and drag the handle in the lower right corner to change the data range, okay. So actually if you frequently add more data to your worksheet, it may become tedious to update the data range, okay. So luckily there is an easier way, okay. Simply format your source data. Example, okay, you need to format your data, okay, into a table, all right, and then create a chart based on that table. So when you add more data below the table, okay, so it will automatically be included in both the table and the chart, okay. So it will keeping everything consistent and up to date, okay. So what it means by that explanation is, okay, so example here, okay, what you need to do is, okay, you need to format as table. This is a button, okay. So what you need to do is, okay, so I just put it aside here, okay, put my data here, okay. So I select, okay, from A2 until F7, okay, and then you go to styles group, format as table commands button, click this drop down menu, all right, and then you choose, okay, any of the tables that you want. Example, I change to these types of table, okay, all right, and then if you see here, when I add, okay, example, I add another genre here is a kids, okay, all right. When I move to the new cell, okay, you will see they automatically will add the category, the genre into your charts, okay. So as I said earlier, okay, so this is uh easy way, okay, for you to update your data, all right, to make your data consistent,